Good morning, students. I am Durgesh Kumar Lakhira, Assistant Professor, TIT Technocrats. Today I will discuss discrete structure, unit number 4, graphs theory. What is graph? A graph G, V, E consists of a set of vertices V and edges E, connecting pair of vertices. This elegant structure from the foundation of discrete mathematics. Simple exams: V collection of vertices A, B, C, D and collection of edges AB, AC, BC, DC. Types of graph: simple graph, directed graph and more. Simple graph: no loop, no multiple edges between the same vertices. The most basic and clean graph structure. Second, directed graph: edges have direction representing one-way relationship, also called digraph. Multigraph: also multigraph is between the same pair of vertices, modeling complex connections. Fourth, loop: an edge connecting a vertices to itself, useful in relation. Spatial graph and structure. First, complete graph. Every pair of vertices is connected by an edge. Maximum connectivity achieved. No vertices is isolated from any other. Second, bifurcated graph. Vertices are split into two distinct sets with edges only connecting vertices from different sets. Perfect for matching problem. Third, null graph: a graph containing vertices but no edges. The baseline structure showing total disconnected. Fourth, weighted graph: edges carry numerical weightage representing cost, distance or capacity essential for degree, adjacency and incidence. Degree of vertices: the number of edges incidence to a vertices. Higher degree means more connections. Adjacent vertices: two vertices connected directly by an edge are called adjacent. Incidence: an edge is said to be incident to its endpoint vertices forming the connection. Path cycle. Walk: a sequence of vertices where each consecutive pair is connected by an edge. Vertices and edges may repeated. Second path: a special walk with no repeated vertices, the most direct route between two points. Cycle: a path the start and end at the same vertices forming a closed loop. Loop. Applications of graph theory: computer science, biology, transfusion and social network.